Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making jambalaya. Jambalaya is a delectable Louisiana dish that combines West Africa, French, and Spanish cuisines. It includes rice, Caribbean seasoning, pork chops, pork sausage, shrimp, onion, bell pepper, celery, and chopped tomatoes. The mixture of flavors and textures from the ingredients results in a soul-satisfying one-pot meal that honors Louisiana's rich cooking tradition. Heat oil in a pot over medium heat. Add the chopped pork chops to the pot and cook until brown. Remove the pork chops from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add the sliced smoked sausage and cook until browned. the sausage and set it aside. Add the chopped onion and fry for a minute. Add the tomato paste and cook for about 5 minutes. Add the blended tomato and habanero pepper and cook for an additional 10 minutes. Add minced garlic and bay leaves. Add the rest of the mixed seasonings. Thyme, oregano, shrimp cube seasoning, the bell pepper, saute until they become tender. Add the rice to the pot and stir it into the liquid. Bring the mixture to a boil and then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. to allow the flavors to melt together. Cover the pot again and let it cook for about 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and has absorbed most of the liquid. Once the rice is cooked, add the seasoned shrimp, pork chops, and sausage to the pot. Stir gently to incorporate everything together. Cover the pot and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Enjoy your homemade jambalaya. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding other ingredients based on your preferences.